Hello everyone! Start off by taking a leaf and then cut it in this curved shape. Use one part of it for the head and one part of it for the body. Then draw on some hair at the face of the little girl. After this, draw on the hands on the leaf portion as well, and then at the bottom you may draw on the legs. After this, you may also add the blush and then add rain all around her. Don't forget to add the ground. Next, take a stencil and then trace out a circular shape. Dip some earbuds in some pink paint and then put it within the circular shape. Use a darker shade after this as well. Once you are done blotting the top, you may also take a little bit and then add it to the bottom. Then use a brown marker or some brown paint in order to make the bark of the tree. These are cherry blossom trees. You may also make two people sitting on a swing under the tree as such. Draw this using some paint. Next, start off by taking a green color pencil and then trace out the shape of a leaf. After this, draw a line in the center as well and then begin to slowly shade it from the top. Once you have done this, draw two circular shapes using a pencil on one of the sides and then slightly shade it from dark to light as such. After this, draw a darker mark on top as well using green. Next, start off by drawing flowers. We have chosen to draw the base first and then we are adding multiple layers to it as such. Once we have done this, we move on to another flower right beside it. Once again, after you finish the second flower, you may move on to make another. We are adding multiple layers and multiple flowers on all of the sides and on top as well. After you are done with this, begin to draw a bouquet right underneath it. Don't forget to add the stems of each of these flowers. Also, don't forget to add the leaves and the longer buds. Add a bow at the bottom and then the stems at the bottom as well. Proceed to color it in as such. Next, take a yellow marker and then around it use an orange marker in order to make the petals of a flower. Add red detailing to it as well. Using a green marker, make the stems of it as well as the leaves. Add small little buds to it all around as such. Then, on another green portion of it, make an orange bud to show a budding flower. Next, take a pencil and then trace out the shape of Pikachu from the back. Draw two somewhat ovular shapes in order to do so. Then draw the large ears as such. Add a cute little bushy tail. Add cute little eyes and then a mouth as well. After you are done with this, mark it out in a darker marker as such. After this, begin to color it in and color the tops in black. Don't forget to color in the eyes as well. Finally, this is what it should look like. Add some blush on the side. Next, start off by drawing the back hoodie of a little girl. Then draw on the little face and then draw the body. After you are done with this, draw on the hands and then the legs after this. Add rain all around her. After this, use some pencil shavings and then trace out the shape using a earbud at the back. Add on the shape of some ears and then underneath it, add on a line. After this, add on two ovular shapes to make hands. Don't forget to add on some legs as well. Using a pencil, draw on the rest of the shape of the body of this little panda. We have also drawn the tail. Once you are done with this, add little balls of fur all around to signify the fur on the body of the panda. Add the shadow. Thank you for watching.